Hi guys, good day. Meron lang akong share sa inyo. Marami kasi nagtatanong sa akin lately kung ano nga ba yung Metro Valley at kung ano nga ba ang meron dito. So kung isa ka rin sa mga nalilito kung ano talaga yung Metro Valley, panoorin mo tong video na ito. Ang Metro Valley is basically yung bagong 200-hectare central business district dito sa loob ng Nuvali. So hindi lang siya basta isang project, magiging major sustainable hub siya for business, retail, at urban living sa Calabarzon, featuring offices, shopping centers, and civic spaces all in one place. Ang Metro Valley ay binubuo ng tatlong district. Number 1, the Lakeside District. Ito yung 100-hectare design for leisure and commerce. Dito natin makikita yung Ayala Mismo Valley, Seda Hotel Nuvali, Man-Made Lake, Landers, SNR, at yung The Big Box. Number 2 is yung 40-hectare na Central District. Ito naman yung magiging core for business and commercial establishments, featuring modern offices and a 3-hectare Central Park. And lastly, yung 60-hectare na Civic District. Dito magkakaroon tayo ng command center, convention center, satellite city hall, sports facilities, at church. Sobrang excited ako dito dahil hindi lang siya convenient for your daily living, designed din ito for long-term growth at potential property appreciation. So if you would ask me when is the best time to invest, it is today. This is Alberto Costa, your property specialist. Follow my Facebook page to learn more about exciting updates here in Nevada.